Today you're going to become an expert at identifying the radius and diameter of a circle. So the radius is the distance between the center of a circle and the outer edge. So let's take a moment and think back of kindergarten. When we wrote on that dotted line, the R would only go up to that halfway dotted line. So think about radius and the letter R, it's only going to go to the middle of the circle. I'm going to kind of sketch a little R right there. All right, diameter starts with the letter D. And when we would write that in kindergarten, it would go up to the very top line. So diameter is the distance all the way across the circle. And it has to pass through the center of the circle. All right, so let's work with these numbers a little bit. Let's say we have the radius, and the radius is 7. So halfway across the circle is 7. What would the whole distance across the circle be? Well, if the bottom half is 7, the top half would also be 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So basically, you just double it or times it by 2. All right, so let's try another one. If the radius, and I'm going to draw the line this way this time. Oops, that didn't work. Let me try that again. Boop. Let's say our radius is 12. We could double that then to get the diameter. So the diameter would be 24. All right, let's try one with diameter first. If we are given the diameter of a circle, and let's say it is 20, that's the whole distance across. So we want to find half for the radius. Half means divided by 2. So we could take 20 and divide it by 2, and the radius would be 10. You could also think of what number plus itself is 20. All right, let's try one more. Let's say our diameter is 48. So we have to then cut that number in half. Half of 40 is 20. Half of 8 is 4. So the radius would be 24.